Meaning of hang gliding.
Hang gliding.
Hang gliding.
Hang gliding.
Hang gliding. Hang gliding is a recreational air sport in which a person flies using a lightweight glider that is suspended by a harness. The pilot launches the glider from a hill or cliff and then uses thermals, or upward air currents, to gain altitude and stay aloft. The pilot controls the glider's speed and direction by shifting their body weight and manipulating control bars attached to the glider's frame. Hang gliding provides an exhilarating, bird's-eye view of the world and allows pilots to experience the freedom of flight in a way that is both exciting and peaceful.